Poor bird.
Poor bird. Poor bird. Listen, Sophia. Probably a cat got it, Eva.
Say, poor bird, rest in peace.
Its beak looks funny because it has no teeth. Heart?
Yeah, it's hurt.
Hurt, Sophia?
It's not hurting anymore.
Well, yes it is.
It's dead. If it's dead, it doesn't hurt. He's in peace now.
Dead.
He's in heaven with God.
Well, actually,
His soul went up to heaven.
Yep.
he's not in heaven. His soul did.
Yeah.
He's not in there. Mama.
What,
Oh,
Levi?
I guess that.
What'd you say? Levi, what'd you say?
Hurt.
It's hurt.
Yeah. It's so bad.
Say, rest in peace, bird. What are you doing?
I wonder when he got there.
Don't touch it.
I don't touch it. What happened? Yeah. Where was it?
What are you doing?
Videotaping.
Ew. It was.